What wasn't made there was made in Mexico.
Cadillac. It's a 1954.
Oh, can I just have my phone? All right.
Well, it's a 1954 convertible. Can't say it's a DeVille. I don't know if that name sequence came into play yet. I'm figuring like Series 60. No, it wouldn't be a Series 60. Series 60 would be a cheap one. Oh yeah, right here. Fuel filler door. There we go. So, you guys tell me, what is this? It's not a DeVille, not an Eldorado, not a Seville, but very beautiful. What is this, Series 60?
Excuse me?
Series 60?
Yeah.
It is? Oh my goodness, I was right. Oh jeez. Excuse me. I didn't even know. I thought the Series 60 was the cheap one.
No, it's a 62 model.
62?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's actually the Coupe DeVille.
Yeah, but I figured it didn't have a name for 54, right? They didn't name them till 55 or something like that?
Yeah, they had an Eldorado in 54.
Okay.
They just had a couple more molds.
Right, but it would have had gold trim molding, and it would have said Eldorado on the front. Okay. This is a Series 62 convertible.
It's a cheap one.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I figured it's too luscious to be the cheap model. Because I figured they wouldn't make a convertible a cheap model anyway. You know, it's got wheel skirts, see? With the small wheel skirts. Oh, man. How long have you had it?
17 years.
17? Okay. You bought it like this or for you put some...
I did it myself.
Okay, all right, he did it himself. Look at this leather. This leather's nice. Nice blood red, like a freshly hit deer, freshly butchered moose. You know? Look at that dash. Clock. AM radio. Series 62. Look at that.